Parti thamai kabelatip kung cockroach Janata Party ang tin khasi ka parti Ñiangkalaw kalong kaway ka parti kababuan kisamla kila pinaso kabelat hau dunong tau digital media abijitip ki nasaki kani ling bagi pajba kipajipanan kami ka jok mobile phone tang dako online kila pinaso ka Instagram kabla ay kerteng ka cockroach Janata Party haduh belat ko kani ka kubor kalapoy haduh kendai 0.1 million ngut kipapinaso siya kani ka Instagram page jang CGP bawat haduh Northeast gladon jingkyrshan lang ya kani ka party CGP pat haka step jang ka arpoy tarik ujemang haduh ujela Meghalaya lapan mi ya ka Instagram page pa ay kerteng cockroach Janata Party Shillong.
Hello everyone. I can't tell you how happy I am today. We are just about to take over the world's largest party on Instagram. We are just 100k followers away from being the most following party. I don't know what you guys have done. क्या कर दिया है यार तुम लोगों ने? इन लोगों को 12 साल लगे ये करने में. उसके लिए इन्होंने कितने हजारों करोड़ रुपए खर्च किए होंगे अपनी फॉलोइंग बढ़ाने के लिए. और आप लोगों ने 4 दिन में सब कुछ खत्म कर दिया. इनका सब कुछ खत्म कर दिया. मतलब आप लोग अभी हिस्ट्री बना रहे हो. आपको रियलाइज हो रहा है यू आर अबाउट टू मेक हिस्ट्री.
I'm from Northeast and I just joined Cockroach Janata Party. You know why I did? Watch this.
There are youngsters like cockroaches. They don't get any employment. They don't have any place in profession. Some of them become media. Some of them become social media. Some of them become RTI activists. Some of them become another activists. And they start attacking everyone.
CGI just call us cockroach. Then we are proud to be cockroach.